Two indictments before the court, Your Honor. 2024 GS 22 432. That is an accessory after the fact of a felony of murder. Also 2024 GS 22 433. That's accessory after the fact of a felony of a murder. Also, Your Honor. Neither one of these indictments have been true billed. To state's understanding, she's executed a waiver of that by initially the face of the indictment as well as the sentencing sheets. It is the state's understanding she's before the court with her attorney Ricky Todd for the purpose of qualifying a guilty plea to this. But Your Honor, we would ask that the sentencing be held in abeyance until a later date.
She wished to plead guilty or not guilty?
She wished to plead guilty to these charges.
You agree with her decision to plead guilty to these charges?
I do, Your Honor.
Based upon the information you have, if this case proceeded to trial, do you feel that the state could prove your client's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt?
I do, Your Honor.
Ma'am, your name is Alecia Childers.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Childers, you have been charged with 2 counts of accessory after the fact of a murder, and according to your lawyer, you wish to plead guilty to these charges. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, you understand that for each one of these charges, you could receive a maximum sentence of 15 years in prison, which means if you receive the maximum sentence and they run consecutively, you could go to prison for 30 years. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to these crimes because you committed these crimes?
Yes, sir.
All right, I need you to listen carefully while the solicitor gives me the facts of your case, okay?
On the indictment ending 432, the state established an indictment that the defendant, Alecia Childers, did on or about May 21st of 2021 in Georgetown County, South Carolina, willfully, knowingly, and intentionally received, relieve, comfort, harbor, and assist Ryan Woodruff in the crime of the murder of Roger Woodruff Sr. after Ryan Woodruff had committed the aforementioned crime. The defendant knew that the crime had been committed by Ryan Woodruff and then assisted in the furtherance of the crime, all in violation of 16-1-55 South Carolina Code of Laws 1976 as amended. As it relates to indictment ending in 433, very similar, Your Honor, different victim. That the defendant, Alecia Childers, did on or about May 21st of 2021 in Georgetown County, South Carolina, willfully, knowingly, and intentionally receive, relieve, comfort, harbor, and assist Ryan Woodruff with the murder of Deborah Goings after Ryan Woodruff had committed the aforementioned crime. The defendant knew that the crime had been committed by Ryan Woodruff and then assisted in the furtherance of the crime, all in violation of 16-1-55 South Carolina Code of Laws as amended, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Childers, you understand what the allegations are against you?
Yes, sir.
Is that what happened?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, and what's the reasoning for holding sentencing in advance?
We have to deal with matters as it relates to the co-defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. Todd, any objection to holding sentencing in abeyance?
No objection, Your Honor. The only thing we would ask is based on the circumstances that you do not retain jurisdiction so that when the time comes, it can be sentencing the done in front of the sentencing judge.
Just may knowingly, voluntarily, fully advise of your rights as a defendant, the nature of the charge against you, and the consequences of the guilty plea. I also find that there is a factual basis to support these charges against you. On a motion to state with the consent of the defendant, I will hold sentencing in abeyance. Sentence may be imposed by any circuit court judge.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.